I have made a couple of videos about a Duramax generator that is dual fueled, and it would not start on propane. But here's what I found out. Someone gave me a tip off of YouTube. You got to open this really carefully, nice and slow. Once you open the tank nice and slow, then it should start. Here we go, let's see it. So in defense of Duromax XP 1300 EH, in defense of this generator, I would say that, yeah, it is not the fault of the generator, but the fault of the regulator that produces the gas to it. So you got to be really careful. There is some kind of a safety mechanism involved in here, in this regulator. If you open it up too fast, then it will reduce the flow of gas. And the same principle is true with the gas grill. Sometimes your gas grill does not heat up higher than 260, 270. That is basically the same problem. So you got to be careful how you open up your regulator and your tank, and that should solve the problem.